Welcome, devoted Transformers enthusiasts, to our first episode of Cinema Grit. We're thrilled to discuss the thrilling conclusion and main storyline of the latest blockbuster, Transformers: Rise of the Beast. However, fair warning, there will be spoilers in this video. So, if you haven't seen the movie yet and don't want key details revealed, now's the time to bail out. We will talk about some bits of how the movie went before we dive in the ending. Transformers: Rise of the Beast combines elements from the 1986 animated movie and the Beast Wars series. It serves as a reboot of the Transformers franchise connected to the Bumblebee movie. The Maximals from the future are introduced as Unicron approaches Earth. Unicron sends Scourge, Nightbird, and Battletrap to find the transwarp key, allowing him to consume planets. The movie diverges from the original storyline, featuring Scourge as a separate character. Apelink sacrifices himself, and the Maximals use the key to travel back 5,000 years to Earth. In 1994, in New York, human characters, Elena and Noah, encounter Transformers when a beacon is emitted from an ancient artifact. Optimus Prime, Bumblebee, RC, and Mirage join the humans. Noah turns to crime due to family struggles, and he helps the Autobots retrieve the transwarp key. Scourge gets the key, resulting in a fight where Bumblebee dies. Air Razor arrives and informs the Autobots about the Maximals and Scourge. In a scene reminiscent of the animated movie, Unicron scolds Scourge for believing he had completed the task with only half of the transwarp key. Elena's knowledge of the Air Razor artifact leads them to discover the second half in Peru. The Autobots, along with Air Razor, utilize Stratosphere, a large cargo plane, to reach Peru. In Peru, they encounter a Peruvian accented wheeljack, who now takes the form of a VW bus. Elena and Noah find a hidden underground temple where the key was originally located but has been moved. While there, they are confronted by Scourge and the Maximals, resulting in a narrow escape. Unfortunately, Air Razor becomes corrupted by Scourge and turns on the Autobots and humans. Optimus Primal is forced to eliminate her to protect Elena, but Scourge obtains the second key half, opening a portal for Unicron. An epic battle, reminiscent of Avengers. Endgame ensues, with the Autobots and Maximals joining forces against Scourge, his team, and countless minions. Unicron begins to emerge through the opening portal, accompanied by Scorpion Transformers and Blintron-like minions. Using the transwarp key, a structure resembling a sky bridge is created, complete with human-sized tunnels leading to a control panel. Conveniently, Elena possesses the necessary knowledge to shut down the portal, having examined the Air Razor artifact. The area is rich in inert energon, requiring immense power to become usable. As luck would have it, the portal's activation generates a surge of energy that revives Bumblebee, turning the tide of battle just when defeat seems imminent. Mirage fights Scourge near the control panel, sacrificing himself to protect Noah. However, it is later revealed that Mirage survives, heavily damaged, and transforms his remaining functional parts into an exosuit for Noah. Optimus Prime finally arrives to confront Scourge, aided by Noah in the exosuit, while Elena attempts to close the portal. Unfortunately, the control panel is destroyed. Optimus orders an evacuation as he prepares to destroy the space bridge, sealing the portal with a powerful explosion. In a moment of apparent sacrifice, Noah, in his exosuit, grabs Optimus, and they are saved by the arrival of Optimus Primal, as Unicron and his minions are defeated, though Unicron's survival is implied. The movie concludes with Noah returning home and attending an interview where he learns about his brother's medical bills being taken care of. He is offered a role in a team involved in an ongoing war. Hi, Joe. A hidden warehouse reveals an experimental plane, indicating a new direction for future crossovers. The film sets the stage for exciting possibilities and the continuation of the Transformers universe. As the movie concludes, Noah returns home and attends an interview with an undisclosed individual portrayed by Michael Kelly. Surprisingly, the interviewer is already aware of Noah's recent involvement with the Transformers. To Noah's relief, The mysterious interviewer assures him that his little brother's medical expenses will be taken care of, ensuring he receives the best treatments going forward. Additionally, the interviewer presents Noah with a business card, which uncovers a hidden warehouse behind a Real Hero award plaque. Inside the warehouse, an experimental plane is being constructed. To Noah's astonishment, the enigmatic individual invites him and his Transformer companions to join their team as they find themselves embroiled in an ongoing war. As the credits begin to roll, Noah notices a G.I. Joe logo on the back of the business card. This revelation signals an exciting collaboration between Paramount and Hasbro for a Transformers G.I. Joe crossover movie. While it remains uncertain if this will connect to the previous live-action G.I. Joe films, it's worth noting that Rise of the Beast predominantly takes place in 1994, long before the events of the other G.I. Joe movies. Consequently, even if there were connections, the team lineup would likely differ significantly, implying that returning actors such as The Rock and Channing Tatum may not be part of this new crossover film. In the world of comics, there have been several crossovers between G.I. Joe and Transformers. While Paramount has a reputation for disregarding source material in such projects, one potential storyline that could be suitable for a G.I. Joe Transformers crossover movie is the Black Horizon comic run from 2007. In this series, the G.I. Joes form an alliance with the Autobots to combat the spread of Cybertronian technology. The plot includes thrilling encounters with Cobra. Such a storyline would serve as a fitting continuation of the narrative presented in Rise of the Beast and provide an opportunity to reboot the G.I. Joe franchise with the original G.I. Joe team. However, considering Paramount's track record, an alternative scenario could involve a collaboration between the Joes, Autobots, and a few Maximals. This would introduce a new Megatron as the primary antagonist, aligning with Cobra and hinting at connections to Unicron. A potential third film could then explore Megatron's transformation into Galvatron, paving the way for further developments in the storyline. Overall, the possibilities for a G.I. Joe Transformers crossover movie are exciting, and it remains to be seen how Paramount will approach the integration of these two beloved franchises. So what did you think of Transformers Rise of the Beast? Was Scourge a strong enough bad guy? Did Unicron do enough? And what about the upcoming crossover film with G.I. Joe and the Transformers? Let us know your thoughts in the comments below. For now, that wraps up this video. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed the video, please don't forget to like, subscribe, and share with someone who loves the Transformers and G.I. Joe.